Okay. 1, 2, 3. Let's sing a happy birthday song.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Ay, bitch yun ah. Thank you so much.
Blow, blow, blow. Blow, blow.
Thank you so much for your service. So in addition to this, may I call on Kuya, the eldest son of Adam, to give organization na yun. But they said that when you reach the age of 15, you have to be very happy and very grateful. Because according to the research, that the lifespan of the people nowadays is 50 years old. I don't know if you're going to be like that. But for me, as a Christian, I will go to you're between that the average span of the people today is 50. Yeah, that's according to the research. That's not my research, that's the research. If I'm going to be a researcher for that, I want to be 70 or 80. So I didn't know anything about that. Yeah, so sabi nila is 50 daw ang lifestyle. Kaya pag nag-reach na tayo ng 50, we have to be happy and very grateful. Exactly what reading of Adam's t-shirt, life begins at 50. Okay! So not 40. Ngayon, dinero na nila. Dati di ba sabi, life begins at 40, but now 50 na according to Adam. Right? Oh, so kailangan ito happy na dito. Just been practice. Ay, practice talaga? Tuwa ka sa akin.
Gusto na naman ang hiling ko sa'yo ay magpasubrahan. Gumamit lang ng tama na kaya sa isipan at huwag kalilimutan na sermon ni Lexpra.
Ang masari mo sa...
Last na yan, ha? Last na yan, last na yan. Last na yan, last na yan. Ikaw, mag-speech ka din, ha? Sorry, baby. Ano gagawin? Nagugutom na ako, Bicol. Nagugutom na. Ramir.
Sige, pwede. Konti lang ako tayo.
Oh, saan punta?
Kia. Remember Tata.
Ako naman to.
Your name is Suki.
Oh, nawala ako. Sira. Wala. Wala. Tama na? Ito na lang.
Nalagyan na ba lahat?
sabihin sa ating pinakamamahal na natin na maligayang dalawa sa iyong ikasing kwenta. Mahal na kita.
Okay, thank you so much, Kuya. And now, alam niyo na ba kung ano ang susunod?
Happy birthday. Say happy birthday to Papa. Happy birthday, Papa. Happy birthday, Papa.
Birthday boy.
Bye. Bibihis ka pa eh. Yung ano? Boys. Oh, Bicol. Bibi, yeah, don't touch the baby. Yun, no? Sarap po. Sarap. Sarap. Madating ba si Levi?
Video lang pala.
Are you all guys ready? Please hold on your glasses. Okay.
Tinatang na kabayan. Hindi ko gusto ko lang sabihin sa ating pinakamamahal na natin maligayang dalawa sa iyong ikasing kwenta.
Sinasabi mo! Kiss! Kiss!
Thank you so much, Kuya. And now, alam niyo na ba kung ano ang susunod?
Kitchen!
Any guess? Alam niyo na kung ano ang susunod? Oh my God! Gusto ko na kayo lahat isama sa carnival. Alam niyo kung anong magiging trabaho namin yun?
Okay ba?
Ano, taga-hula. Hey, and now, ladies and gentlemen, since our celebrant right beside me, may I go, let's give him a round of applause, a birthday celebrant for tonight! Our golden boy, Adam Villanueva! Go ahead! Go ahead!
Suba